Hi guys, today
Hi guys.
we are going to do the burping contest. Whoever
belching
burping contest, and whoever can get the loudest burp wins. You guys comment below, and tell us which one of us has the bestest burp. You could use the pantsuit girl or the pink shirt or jumpsuit. Or you can put Anij or Kayla. So.
By the way, to spell my name is A-N-I-J.
Mine's K-A-Y-L-A. Some people spell it K-A-L-A. And it drives me crazy. So, please tell us below. Okay, we're gonna start.
I'm still chewing.
Yeah, we're gonna start. But first, we have to eat a lot.
This might take a while. What, keep going. You might have to get me some more water. Especially since I backwashed it. You probably need more. Say longest and biggest so we know whose was better. I did not know cats actually did that.
That was my cat. Oh, I feel one coming on.
Punch. Go get me more water, maid.
Hold on, I'll be right back, guys. Guys, did you just hear that one? That one was me. How loud did that thing go up when I burped?
Okay.
Shoot.
Yeah.
I feel one.
That was like the smallest burpee ever. It went all the way to the red.
Ew, it smells.
Mine or yours?
Yours.
By the way, guys, I'm eating sour cream and onion, so that might be why I might smell onion breath.
You guys are so lucky you don't smell it right now. I think my nose hairs are dying.
Or barfing.
Yeah, barfing or dying. Hold on, be right back. Look at the thing.
Barely.
Shoot.
I say like the bad words, but not on videos because we don't want little kids to watch it and then be like, what the heck does this word mean?
Yeah, I know, that's why every time when I say it, I correct myself. Because I'm allowed to say that word.
I am too.
I'm putting some on a napkin.
I'm just reaching out of a bag, then I'm gonna put it on my phone. Best place to put goldfish. It's on your phone.
Goldfish phone. Where can you buy that?
Yeah, where did you buy that? Well, I bought the goldfish at the... Well, I got goldfish from a friend, and then I took my phone, and then kind of put goldfish on it.
Yeah.
Oh.
Watch. Oh, that was a fail. 5-second roll. 10-second roll.
I'm throwing it at the camera.
Nope. Stop. That's what you get back for throwing it at the people who love us.
I just want to show them what it looks like.
Don't throw.
Still no more notifications.
Seriously. We texted him at like 1 o'clock.
What time is it now? Oh yeah, it's 5.
It is. Guys, it is 5:13. You were wrong.
That's close. I'm gonna watch the pin down real quick and see what it looks like. Never mind, I can't watch it. Turn it?
It was in the red. I did it.
I can't even believe that.
I don't know why there was 2 birds.
What the hell are you doing?
I'm doing the sprinkler.
Again.
Yeah, again.
Oh, I feel one. Feel one. It's coming. Hopefully.
I thought I would get the burp out.
No, you made me choke on gold.
Drink some water. Ow.
Mine was like...
I touched my uvula when I threw it in. See, when you scream, that little jiggly thingy that at the back of your throat that jiggles when you scream, that's called a uvula. I think.
Yeah. Shoot, I feel another burp. I'm still chewing.
That was deep, but that was not loud. It was like up to here.
Oh no.
I got one last problem. We like to be weird in videos, so do not judge us. Do not judge us. That's what I meant.
I might need a ponytail holder. The next video is gonna be like about how both of us think about unicorns, so also someone comments, then we do that. If it's like a dare or something, then we'll do their comment.
Oh, did you see how high that one went?
Mm-mm.
It was like up to here.
Probably because you're closer to it. You see?
Mhm.
That one like reached the red top part.
That's even like right here.
No, it was like right here.
Ah! See? One little fishy swimming in the water, swimming toward a shark, and a shark ate it. Godzilla!
I tried stealing one of yours. It didn't work out. I'm like, you made it in the water, I'm gonna kill you.
It bounced off of her. It bounced off of her glass, and onto the deck. Because we're sitting on a deck.
Here's a famous fish who bounced off my neck.
Hey, that rhymes. Here's the famous fish that bounced off my neck. Or, the way you said it. It kind of rhymed. That was weak.
Okay, guys, we're gonna end it here because we don't want to do more than 11 minutes, right?
No, don't end it.
Oh!
I got a little bit of, a little bit of stuff that comes up in some
like
birds.
the acid.
Yeah, I just got one of that.
Oh!
And it was like a lot.
The swallowing part is the icky part. I got it too.
And I was still eating my goldfish. Die! Ow! This is my eyeball. This is my other eyeball.
She does
Not
that
so
in
shy.
every video.
Okay.
Why am I reaching out of the bags?
That's because it's from Dog with a Blog. On Crazy Susan, is there?
I haven't seen that one. Oh no.
That totally did not work out. I'm so sorry. Oh no, she's gonna throw it at me. No! No! It can't even fit through there.
You can't?
No, the tail holds it up. Or not. Hey! Okay, stop.
You put 3 in mine, I put 3 in yours.
That's 4. Stop putting goldfish in my water. It's calmed in water. Oh great, now it's gonna taste garlicky.
No, it's not gonna taste, it's gonna taste oniony. Yeah, mixing. Oh, yeah. It's good.
Olivia Rooney. No. Why did I just call you Olivia?
That's what it looks like.
This is what she did to my water.
You can barely see it in hers.
Wait!
Shut up! By the way, guys, we're gonna end it here. Because it's like been 15 minutes almost, so.
Yeah. Okay.
Bye!
This is the hardest part. Why am I laying on a boot?